boom, you're onto your dream property and you're set to propose a deal without an agent. At this point, it's important to know that you don't need to be a licensed real estate agent when you're purchasing for yourself. You can use a proprietary sales contract, which is purchasable from places like Office Depot or similar stores. Once you've sorted that, familiarize yourself with your state laws. Each has its own unique requirements for real estate contracts. Now let's dive into the purchase price. Be pragmatic, but remember, negotiation is key. The next thing to consider is earnest money. This is a clear demonstration of your seriousness, usually around 1 to 3% of the purchase price. Then pin down contingency periods. These serve as your safety nets. Contingencies like inspection, loan approval, and appraisal are common. Lastly, take into account the closing costs. Who bears what? Negotiation comes into play here too. Keep in mind your offer is legally binding. Take time to understand every line. If anything seems unclear, don't hesitate to seek legal advice. Congratulations. You're one step closer to purchasing a home without an agent. Loop this guide until you feel confident about making your own real estate purchase offer. Alright, so you've crafted your purchase offer, but before you proceed any further, let's talk about conducting a property title search. What is this, you ask? A property title search is a process that reveals the legal history of the property you're interested in. It's crucial to ensure that the title is clear, meaning that the property is free from any liens or claims and that the seller truly owns the property they're trying to sell you. Now, the cost of a title search on a residential property can vary, but it's generally a small price to pay for the assurance it provides. You wouldn't want to purchase a property only to discover later on that there are unpaid taxes or unresolved legal issues attached to it. So how do you conduct a title search? You can do it yourself at your local county clerk's office, or you can hire a title company or attorney to do it for you. They'll comb through property records to find any potential issues. This is a step you should never skip in your DIY real estate journey. Remember, when it comes to real estate, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, armed with your purchase offer and a clear title, you're even closer to owning your dream home. Stay tuned for the next step in our DIY real estate series. Share, like, and subscribe to get real estate news you can use.